Hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually leverage a platform that is offering some done for you funnels. Yes, so if you're offering a product, a service, or you're thinking about, to launch your own product or service, this video is actually for you. Also, if you're doing affiliate marketing and network marketing. But before getting to the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. If this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, if you are thinking about to do the transition from an offline business to an online business, or you're thinking about creating an online business and you need, to offer some ways in which you can capture the attention of people, lead magnets, but you're like, okay, I don't know how to create them. I want to, to launch my product, my service, my network marketing products, or maybe I'm doing affiliate marketing. Well, there is actually a tool that I use. It's actually called builderall. Builderall is an all-in-one marketing solution. You can give it a try for 15 days. It's actually a free trial. Or if you want to test it for an entire month, it's just $1. I'm going to leave the two links below this video so you can have the options 15 days, no credit card required, or $1 for 30 days. So this is actually my builderall account. If you have the premium package, you're gonna have something that is called the funnel club. Okay, this is what I'm gonna show you here. Yeah, you're gonna have funnels that you're gonna use if you decide to promote builderall. About this, it's not only that they are building funnels for you to actually, promote builderall per se. Remember, I told you that there are some funnels in which you can model them, and actually you can download them to your builderall account, and you can even have your own PDF. So if you are like, okay, this one looks, great in a way, but I'm not sure how to create, my PDF. This is basically actually for you. For example, if you have an agency, or if you're thinking about creating an online agency, this is a funnel that you can use, to grab dentists' attention so they can, do the social media with you, do the email marketing with you, create their own funnels, real estates, right? Here as well. So let me go a little bit down, because I want to show you another cool thing. Okay, here, different categories. Even as I told you, if you want to be an affiliate, one of the things that I really like about it is the fact that you can download the funnel. And when you download the funnel, you're not going to have only the funnel, but you're going to have the PDF, let's say here, that you want to promote to affiliates, network marketers. You can use this. Okay, thermogenics food, as you can see, you can do actually the same. If you're gonna market to photographers, right, you can download again the funnel. If you are a person who are, doing videos, you can do this from home. Okay, this is one that I really like, and I'm gonna show you in a moment, the launch checklist. So if you're planning, again, to move your offline business to an online environment right now, right? By the way, at the time I'm recording this video, we're in the middle of the lockdown, so a lot of people need to do the migration or need to do the move, right? Again, here for tutors, mechanics, so a lot of really good things that you can actually download, model. You're gonna have the PDF, which is actually the lead magnet. So there's a lot of things. I want to show you two right now. Okay, for example, we have one that is for home office. Okay, you must work from home. This is something that is happening right now, but you don't know how. Discover how you can work from home and be best as efficient as working from an office. you're going to be able to download the ebook. Remember, this is something that builderall provides, so you do not need to create the funnel. You're going to click here where it says download this funnel. You're going to have it on the builderall account. You're going to have the thank you page. Okay, here it says download your guide, blah, blah, blah. Start downloading now. You don't need to create this. builderall already did this for you. And by the way, if you want to tweak it, if you want to change the logo, rebrand it, you are allowed to do this. And here are some tips that you can use to work from home. So this is your market. Maybe, you have some kind of company or business in which you can offer this kind of presence. You can do this. Also, remember that I told you that there is a funnel that I want to show you, which is the lounge jacket funnel. Sorry, it's not. It's the lounge. Let me show you. It's this one. Okay, lounge checklist. Sorry, this lounge checklist funnel. Okay, you're gonna have again the ability to download the funnel. Here, this is really a funnel that I suggest you if you are thinking about doing affiliate marketing, if you're thinking about releasing your own product or service, if you're a network marketing company, and maybe you were doing everything offline until now, and you're like, hey, I know I need to go online. Okay, so you're gonna have a PDF with the things that you cannot forget to do before, and this is actually going to save you a lot of time. You're going to be able to download the PDF, right? I'm going to leave a link below if you want to check this one. And here's the thank you page. Remember, you can rebrand it, you can use it as it is, you can adjust it, tweak it, maybe add your picture. Okay, it's really easy. And here is the PDF. Okay, checklist for a successful launch, everything you cannot forget. Right, introduction, I already read it. Okay, for example, let me tell you, these are some of the 24 important steps. Okay, so you already have a product or service to offer. Remember, it can be your own or it can be someone else because you're doing affiliate marketing or you're on a network marketing company. A good sales price and all the bonuses offered must catch your client's attention. You might be like, what? Do I need to offer bonuses? Yes. It can be a free proof, it can be a trial, it can be a complimentary product, it can be a PDF, it can be a cheat sheet, it can be a checklist, right? Something like when they get the product, they know like, okay, I need to follow maybe steps. So sometimes people decide like, okay, I want to go with you because of the bonuses, because that's an extra help. It can be a support group. Maybe you're going to have a Facebook group just like that. Okay, you're going to build your offer carefully. And offer is the package of everything that is being offered and the final price. Determine your offer, bonuses, discounts, payment methods, etc. Sometimes people forget, and people, when I mention them, like, hey, you need to have your own offer. They're like, okay, but this is not my product. I cannot discount the price, or I cannot give discount codes. No. The offer is everything, okay? It's the bonuses, it's the product, it's the extra value besides the bonuses. Maybe you're going to have a one-on-one call, you're going to be creating interesting content for your launch. Nothing is as bad as dull content that would get your audience sleepy, right? Plan to release some really interesting content, blah, blah, blah. Okay. A lot of people are like, okay, yes, I have my product. I have, everything, my funnel, everything, but you are not catching people's attentions, right? It's not like, okay, I'm going to create a really boring YouTube channel that is not going to connect with anybody. It's not like, hey, I'm going to do pay ads and that's going to be the best thing ever. I'm going to be rich. Hey, if that will be the case, everybody will do it, right? So you need to understand that, like, hey, I need to do research. I need to go with my competitors to see what they are doing, what they're offering, so I can model that, I can improve that, I can, put my own style. You need to understand that there are visual people, auditory people, and kinetics people, people who listen by watching, listening, and other people who need to actually touch or test the product. Okay, you need to warm up your audience before the launch. A lot of people fail in this. I was guilty on that one as well. I wish I'll have this 24 step. And again, this is something that you can use. Maybe you're on a network marketing opportunity, or you're doing affiliate marketing, and you're like, hey, I'm gonna model this. And by the way, we have an affiliate funnel on the builderall funnels club. But maybe you're like, hey, I'm gonna model this. Maybe I'm not gonna use this 24 step because not all of them match to my to my product or my service. But I can give them like, hey, if you decide to join my business opportunity, this is the welcome package. On this welcome package, you're gonna find the 5 steps or the 10 steps that you need to follow, in order to be successful with this business opportunity, blah, blah, blah. Remember that you're gonna have full support with me on Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, you name it. So people are like, hey, I better join with him or her, because it's not only the fact that I'm going to be joining the business opportunity, which I already like, but I'm going to know what steps do I need to follow if I want to join that business opportunity and I want to be successful, because a lot of people want to be successful. It's not like, hey, I have this business opportunity, I don't know what's the next step. It can be something pretty basic like, hey, now that you join my business opportunity, go to this website and log in with your credentials, watch the welcome video. Yeah, I know it sounds kind of silly, but trust me, I have been promoting several business opportunities, and there is a lot of people who really don't know, like, they need to log in, how to log in. They need to watch the welcome videos. There is a lot of trainings maybe on the back office, and they're like kind of lost, like, okay, I don't know where to go, I don't know where to click. But if you have this kind of guidelines, right, telling them like, hey, these are the 5 steps. Remember, you can use this, okay? You can use this, right? And you can add a couple of steps and you're gonna be good to go. So if you want to see this funnel, how it actually works, I'm gonna leave a link below. Also, I'm gonna give you a link again in which you can test builderall for 15 days. It's free trial, no credit card required. Or you can test builderall for just $1, and it's going to be for 30 days. If you ask me, hey, Diana, which one should I go with? I suggest you to go with the $1 because we are giving more bonuses. Actually, builderall is giving more bonuses. There is even an agency training, 100% free. So this is it for this video. As you can see, guys, when you have the right tools, it's easier to do things online, to follow the right steps. So this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have some questions, some comments, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.